Hi everyone, so for today's video I'm going to show you what's inside the KitchenAid Artisan box. So I've been wanting to have one ever since I arrived here in New Zealand, and for my birthday this year my husband gifted me this KitchenAid Artisan. I'm super excited to open it up with you guys and of course use it for my baking. And yeah, so without further ado, let's open the box. This is how the box looks like. It's a KitchenAid Artisan and it says here 4.8 and 2.8 liters. So it comes with two mixing bowls, which is very good. And I know that the model is red, but of course I did not order red. Alright, so what he ordered for me is pink one. I'm not sure if you can see it in the camera, but that's pink. He really knows what I like. I didn't ask for this, and I was just surprised that it came today. Yesterday was my birthday and he did not told me anything about it, so I was really surprised, and also surprised that he knows the color. Well, of course everything's pink for me, but yeah, I'm so proud of him for choosing the right one. Alright, so now we're gonna start opening the box. It's a little bit heavy, that's why I'm just dragging it around, just because it's really heavy. I don't want to drop it on the floor and break it because I think it's made of ceramic or something. So let's go open it. I think that would do. Alright, cool. So this is the first thing on top of the box. It says discover all that is trending in the culinary world with new and exciting recipe inspirations, exclusive offers, and new product releases. So I think I'm gonna join any of these communities. I'll join the New Zealand one because I'm based here in New Zealand, and this is how it looks like. And there are still optional attachments and accessories that we could buy in the future maybe. So that's really interesting. But for now, let's focus on what we have. So let's continue. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Look at that baby pink. I love it so much. Before we get that one, get on this first. So I think this one is the cover. Oh, yes, it's like the cover for the mixing bowl, I'm guessing. So that's made of plastic and looks really cool with, of course, their brand over there. Like, yes, there you go. KitchenAid. Alright, so this is the first item I've taken out from the box. So I'll just put it aside for now. So I think, oh, there's like leaflets over here, and this one's this is gonna be helpful, so I think I'm gonna read this before I use the mixer. So I'll put this one aside. Here you go, this pink. Alright, so I think I'm gonna try to pull this one out by myself. So let's go. Alright, so I was able to take it out from the box, and this is how it looks like. It's so cute, you guys. It's pink and I love it. So I think we're gonna start with everything that's around the stand mixer. So I've got something with this one. Let's just twist it. So this one's the first attachment. It's, I think, made of ceramic. So I think this one's for kneading. I'm not really sure, but it looks like it's the hook kind of attachment. So that's for sure is for kneading dough. Put one aside here. And then the other one is this one. It's for mixing. Alright, so it's time for us to take off the spiral. So this is how it looks like. It's really cute and heavy. Yes. Alright, so I think we need to take off this thing. So that's lock and unlock. I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube about this, how to use the KitchenAid. So I think I have an idea. So just kind of do that and then lift it up. Oh, it's heavy. Can't do it. So we still have the thing here, other attachment and everything. Yep. So that's another mixer there, whisk. I'm not sure if that's what we should call it, but yeah. So just put that there with all the rest of the attachments. And let's go to this bowl. So we've got two mixing bowls as what they indicated here. So we should have a small one and a big one. Got the small one here without the handle. Yep, that's cute. And this one here. So this one has a handle. It has handle. So you just twist it and remove it like that. So big one. So yeah, I'll put the one there. And I think they also sell ceramic mixing bowls. So I'm not really sure if I'm gonna buy that one, but I think I saw like one design. It's like floral kind of white ceramic, and it's so pretty that I really wanted to buy that one, but that's like around $300. So let's see how it goes. But yeah, I think this one's just like super perfect for beginners like me. So we'll stick to this one for now. And let's go to the main attraction. So this is the Artisan. Well, let's just put it back maybe. Alright, so this is the KitchenAid Artisan, and I've got the pink one. So let's go through it maybe. So this is where you're gonna put the bowl. You have to fit it in the groove here and then twist it to lock it. This one says here lock and unlock. This is lock and unlock the head of the mixer, as you've seen what I did earlier. So you can unlock it and then lift up if you need to. Like if you need to load the mixing bowl or unload it or change the attachment and all that. And then on this side, this is actually removable. It's just like cover. So if you remove it, you just loosen it up like this, and then just take it out. It's just nothing new. It's just a cap. Yeah, it's just a cover for this one. So for this one, this is where the other attachments will go, like the pasta maker, the juicer, all that. That I showed you earlier in that leaflet that was provided. So you could buy those upgrades if you need to, but for now I'm just gonna use this for baking, and let's see how it goes. So you just have to cover that one just to keep it clean. And then on this side, here we go. So this is like the speed of the mixing that goes from power off to 10. So you just have to flick it like so until you reach that. So totally depends on what you're mixing. So So the speed totally depends on what you're mixing. So I think you could also use this for like making ice cream and all that. So let's see what I can do with this one. And yeah, so that's the Pink KitchenAid Artisan, and I think it costs $1,100. I'm not sure, but around that budget. So if you're looking to buying one, I think it's worth it, because I've seen a lot of people who use this one, professionals or beginners, no matter what your experience is. This one's really good to help you guys in your kitchen. So I think I'm gonna give it a thumbs up, and I really love the color of this one, guys. I so love this. So yeah, that's all for today, you guys, for the unboxing. I hope you enjoyed and learned something, and if you want to buy, just do it, maybe. I think it's gonna be worth it. So yeah, please give my video a like and subscribe to my new YouTube channel, and turn the notification bell to get you notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!